Nestled in a calm and quiet neighborhood, this stunning home offers the perfect blend of style, comfort, and convenience. Ideally located near top-rated schools and just minutes from parks, shopping, Santa Clara University, Levis, the SEP Center, and fan of downtown San Jose and Santana Row. Also surrounded by major tech companies and with easy access to Highway 280, 17, 880, and San Thomas Expressway, commuting is a breeze. Ready to take a look inside? Follow me. Welcome home! Hardwood floors leads you into an open-bin, sun-filled living room where natural light pours in through dual-pane windows and recessed lighting adds a warm glow. A cozy fireplace adds warmth and ambience, with its charm extending into the connected living, dining, and kitchen area. Walking into kitchen, which features quartz countertops, high-end stainless steel appliances, and ample cabinet space. Down the hall, discover 3 bedrooms, each with their own closet, as well as 2 full bathrooms. The primary bedroom includes an ensuite bathroom with stall shower. Outside, we have a serene, beautifully landscaped backyard with tons of plant life, perfect for relaxing or entertaining. That brings my tour to an end. I'm your neighborhood realtor, RENNA, and if you have any questions, feel free to call me at the number below. Also, be sure to click the like button and subscribe to stay up to date with all my future listings. And I hope to see you at this weekend. Bye now.